Before making a phone call, check that Samba to Go is paired with your phone or other Bluetooth device. To make a call, select the number or contact on your phone as normal. If you receive a call, the ringtone will be streamed to your audio processor, and the blue LED will flash. Briefly press the multifunction button to accept the call. To reject the call, press and hold the multifunction button for more than 2 seconds. To hang up on an active phone call, briefly press the multifunction button. To stop streaming the phone call through Samba to Go, double-press the multifunction button. The phone call will now be heard through your phone speaker. Double-press the multifunction button to start streaming through Samba to Go again.